we build tiny house veranda awnings that are strong. Yeah! So this is the deal with the tiny house veranda awning. We make them strong and we make them transportable so that they fold down and they bolt in during transport. It does take a little bit of lateral space, but we think it's a good deal. The amount of space that you steal from the inside, you gain this amount of space this way and all the way that way, and you sacrifice that amount of space. We also like them because they shield the north side of your tiny house from the radiant heat of the sun, keeping you cooler in summertime. Wow, that's hot. But we don't let that hot steel affect the livability on the inside because we put a radiant barrier between this steel and the wall on the inside. If that's a good deal for you, then you want a veranda awning on your tiny house. Nice and strong. Ah!